Look, we have to do and pour this soap. It's getting hard. You are mixing only the up, Amen. Your hand is not reaching down. Let your hand reach down. Sorry, I just mixed the perfume in with little water. Let me see. You put the wicks down. Let it reach down. Okay. Not that you just put it up. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Bring the mold. Take this thing back so that you'll be able to see. Let me do it myself. I say take it back. So we're going to pour it. Amen. I'm coming. Oh! Where are you going to?
I'm coming.
Oh, yeah. What are this pot is heavy? No, I told you to be enough now.
Mommy, can I try sneaking in? Okay.
Amen. I need get me those small mold. Let me level this thing inside it. You do not see them.
This type,
No, let me know. This type.
I
This silicone mold. Emma, come and be leveling these ones for me too.
Okay, thank you.
Do quick, or it is hardening fast. You know this shea butter, it gets hard fast. Do quick, level it up. After you, I'm busy.
Please, if I finish my work, can I go outside?
Go outside and do what? Level it in.
I'll play.
Play with everybody in their house.
When everybody go out, when you have to go small, you can go. When you see at least and cool down.
Sorry. Hi. Finally.